Linking your bank account to Horizon Credit Union is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth connection between your accounts. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you start the linking process, make sure you have your bank account details ready. This includes your bank's routing number and your account number. Step 2. Log into your Horizon Credit Union account. Visit the Horizon Credit Union website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or link account section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile options. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use sRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your details, review the information and confirm the linking request. You may need to verify the link through a small test deposit or a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Horizon Credit Union account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.